Hi everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Today is Monday na, Monday morning. So, I'm so sorry kung ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-upload. So, but today, we are going to do a pick a card reading. Para to sa ating mga viewers na hoping or wants to know what is their person's thinking or planning next move, okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. The body wash is the pile number 1, while the pile number 2 is the body lotion with color yellow. Okay, so, ngayon, medyo kakaiba, dinagdagan ko ng additional information yung ating gagawing pick a card reading kasi gagamit tayo ng charms, okay? So, nakikita ninyo may charms na kasama yung bawat pile natin, okay? So, pili na kayo ng tingin yung pile mag-resonate sa inyo. Ano ang next move ni person mo? Pile number 1, color green body wash. Pile number 2 is color yellow body wash. So, this is a quick pick a card reading. So, mabilisan. Ilalapag ko muna lahat ng cards. Okay, then saka ko babasahin yung message nakalakip nung bawat pile. Okay, so pili na kayo. Pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Ano ang next move ni person mo? Pile number 1, color green. Pile number 2, color yellow. So, pili na kayo, guys. So, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, let's start with pile number 1 with the color green body wash. Color green can be significant sa inyo, whether this is your favorite color or your person's favorite color. Body wash. Green body wash. Okay, so igilid lang natin. So, let's start with your charm, pile number 1. So, letter K. Okay, letter K can be significant sa inyong dalawa ng person mo, whether nagsisimula sa letter K ang pangalan mo, nagsisimula sa letter K ang pangalan niya. Okay, letter K. Meron na rin akong Chris, Christian, Christine, okay, Carlen, Carmen, Krisa, Crazy, King, okay, may King akong narinig, Moon, color blue, hidden. Pag sinabi kasing moon can be hidden, heart, love, color white, angel, made for an angel. So, can be angel is your name. This is an earth angel. Watermelon, water sign. Can be, nag-meet kayo nito on summer or this is a tropical fruit. Ito yung paborito niyang fruit. Rabbit, can be, Chinese zodiac is rabbit. Born in a rabbit. Year of the rabbit, okay. Carrots, pwedeng vegetarian tong person na to. Mahilig sa fruits and veggies. Can be a farmer also. Pwedeng tatanim ng watermelon and carrots. Letter C again. Okay, so letter C, moon or letter C can be significant sa inyo. And with wings and king, okay, can be a royalty or a ranking. And 4 colors, rectangle can be color blue, sky blue can be significant. Meron ako ditong nakikita na merong may favorite ng color blue. Orange or white. And green also, and pink. Okay. So, tingnan na natin. Sa card mo, pile number 1. Ilalatag ko muna bago ko babasahin, okay? 6 of Pentacles. Libra. Meron ako nakitang Libra. 6 of Pentacles. Earth sign. 4 of Swords. Air sign. Ten of Pentacles. Earth sign again. The Moon. Oh, Moon. With the 2 moon here. Can be ako Scorpio. Meron ako nakitang Scorpio. Page of Cups, water sign. Again, water sign again can be significant sa'yo. Two of Swords. With the moon, with the moon again, ha? With the moon again. So, can be Moon. Two of Swords. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. What I sense here, ano ang next move ni person mo? Yung iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na ino-overthink to ng person mo or o pwedeng nasa crossroad tong person mo with the Two of Swords. Hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Pwedeng tong person na to is may pinagdadaanan ngayon, pwedeng may karamdaman tong person na to, may pinagdadaanan siya sa sarili niya. Can be with the Page of Cups, this person wants to offer you an emotional start. Meron ako nakikita. This person is watching you, spying on you. Gusto niya magkaroon ng balance. Maybe sa inyong dalawa. It can be this person, it can be this is your husband, or there is a foundation here na sa relationship with the Ten of Pentacles. Meron ako nakikita, there is a history here. Pero, meron ditong nasa crossroad, whether kasi meron ako nakikita dito na emotions niya, yung mas matimbang ngayon Emotions are high dito sa person na to right now. So, tingnan pa natin. The Tower card. Nine of Wands, fire sign. Two of Wands, fire sign again. The Temperance card is here. And Six of Swords. Oh, okay. Six of Swords. Meron ako nakita dito, merong abrupt na nangyari between you and this person. Six of Wands signifies that going to a calmer water. Po pwedeng meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan itong person na to. Meron ako nakikita dito po pwedeng walang equal give and take dito sa relationship nyo. Kaya siguro may ending na naganap. Okay? Pero meron ako nakikita dito with the Two of Wands, there is a decision here na kailangan gawin. Okay? Kasi Two of Swords is nandito din also. So, two can be significant. Okay? So, meron akong nakikita decision na gagawin dito. Whether makikipag-ayos. Okay? Meron ditong isa na pwedeng naka-realize na there is no equal give and take. Na-realize niya yung pagkakamali niya. There is a family here. Okay? Meron nagpapakatatag dito kahit na sobrang hirap nung nangyari. This is a divine guided because there is a temperance here. Okay. Pwedeng this person is, pwedeng ikaw, kung ikaw ang feminine here, galit ka dito sa person na to. This person is nagsisisi doon sa nangyari. Okay. Wants to offer a cup. Makipagkasundo. Gusto makipagkasundo. Kasi nag-iisip tong person na to kung i-approach ka ba niya. Kasi meron ako nakita ditong tower. Meron ditong pwedeng galit. May nangyari dito. May nangyari. There is a tower moment na nangyari. The Moon, secrets. Pwedeng meron ditong may inilihim, merong isinikret, tapos nalaman. Okay. Pwedeng meron ditong may pamilya, nalaman ng other person. Pwedeng yung guy dito is may pamilya. It can be. Okay, pwedeng yung other person dito o yung lalaki dito is may pamilya. Okay. And no balance, so equal give and take ako nakikita dito. Or, meron ako nakikita na nangyari na hindi pagkakasundo dahil sa family. It can be literally family matter, okay? Pwedeng hindi nakasundo yung mga biyanan, yung mga magulang nung lalaki, nung guy, okay? Pwedeng this person, hindi ko alam eh. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na hindi ko alam kung yung guy is parang may nakikita ko dito yung babae is lumayo eh. Having a decision to going somewhere. Temperance, angel, and angel is here. Sa charm mo. Six of Swords is going to calmer water eh. May paglayo ako nakikita dito. Kasi may nangyari, may hiwalayan ako nakikita dito. Having a decision. Meron dito ako nakikita na meron dito kailangan mag-decide. over a situation. Pwedeng can be a partnership. Meron akong nakikita dito yung isa nagkakaroon ng sleepless nights, overthinking, dahil nga dun sa nangyari. I-clarify nga natin guys, kasi medyo naano ako eh. Clarify nga natin. Kuha tayo ng clarification card. Okay. Clarify natin. So, tingnan nga natin. Ano bang nangyari dito sa ating pumili ng pile number 1? Give me more cards to know what happened sa aking pile number 1. Judgment. Uy, there is an awakening here. Sabi ko nga, there is an awakening here. And again, there is a, merong timbangan ulit. Meron ako nakikita dito, meron ditong ini-crossroad, merong tinitimbang, merong nagtitimbang ng situation. Okay, meron ditong nagtitimbang ng situation, awakening. Meron din ako nakita dito na baka merong may namayapa or may namatay. Tingnan nga natin. Oops. Nine of Wands. Oh, Nine of Wands and then Nine of Wands. Oh my gosh. There is someone here is pushing through kahit na mahirap yung situation. I don't know kung merong namatay dito sa sitwasyon na merong namatay ng partner dito. I'm so sorry. Okay, to hear that. Meron akong nakikita na baka merong namatay ng partner dito. And then siguro weighing options. Meron akong nakita dito na meron siguro namatayan ng partner dito. Okay, so I'm so sorry guys. And then there is someone new, mas bata na nag-o-offer ng love sa inyo. Pero there is someone here is tinitimbang kung ang susundin ba niya is i-open niya yung sarili niya sa love or mas pipiliin niya na yung career or I don't know. Tingnan natin ha. Nine of Wands. Meron din ako nakita dito, baka hindi pa maka-move on doon sa pagkawala ng partner niya, ng asawa niya, ng mister niya. The Moon! Oh my gosh! The Moon again! Same card, guys! The Moon! Intuition, dreams, illusion. The Moon card is here. There is someone very intuitive. Okay. And there, meron ako nakikita dito, guys. Take what's resonate. There is someone is nagkaroon ng spiritual awakening over a situation. So, na-open siya sa spirituality dahil dun sa nangyari sa kanya. Meron ako nakikita dito, merong nawalan ng partner dito, and then talagang totally na-drain siya, na-devastate siya doon sa nangyari. May self-evaluation na nangyari dito. Doon sa nangyari na namatay siguro yung partner niya. I don't know ha. Queen of Swords. Kuha pa tayo ng last 2 card, please. King of Wands. Maybe you are dealing with yung nawala is King of Wands. Meron akong nakikita na yung nawala or yung nawalang mong partner can be a leader, kaya nung naiwan ka na nag-iisa is talagang tower moment siya para sa iyo. Kasi nawalan ka ng partner, nawalan ka ng support system. Meron ako nakikita dito, yung nawala is good in animals also. Okay. A loving person. Mahilig sa hayop. Meron ako nakikita dito na very drained, pero still pushing through kahit na sobrang hirap nung nangyayari. Okay. I'm so sorry, guys. Last card is the High Priestess. So there is someone here na very intuitive, okay, spiritual. Okay, High Priestess is a very knowledgeable kind of a person, a very spiritual person. Okay, so na-open ka sa spirituality since nung nangyari na Tower moment. And bottom of the deck is Page of Coins. There is a solid beginning, okay? There is a solid beginning here, whether this is when it comes to love, okay? If you are the person who is nawala ng partner, okay, I'm so sorry to hear that. There is a Page of Cups. Someone here new, okay, na wants to offer a new emotional support sa'yo, okay, kung ikaw yung nawalan ng asawa, okay? With the letter K here. K and a king, okay? With the letter C, tapos merong crown, okay? So, pwedeng, with the angel here, pwedeng angel muna to ngayon. Yung partner mo na nawala. And this person or this partner of yours na nawala is guiding you. Okay, guiding you on your next chapter. Okay, guiding you, supporting you spiritually. Okay? Meron akong nakikita dito na still moving on dahil dun sa nangyari. Kahit na-drain ka, you are still pushing through with the 9 of Wands here. Okay? There is a new strong foundation, strong beginning na happening sa'yo right now. And you are awakening, okay, right now. You are in the process of awakening. Okay? Moon is hidden. So, still, yung mga mangyayari is hidden pa. Pero, rest assured that if you are the one who is nawalan ng partner, your partner is guiding you. Okay? And forgive yourself also dun sa nangyari. Okay? Forgive yourself. Heal yourself. Okay? Use your intuition. You're a very intuitive person kasi High Priestess is here. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano pa yung oracle card mo, pile number 1? Okay, so unahin natin yung love messages oracle card na ibinigay para sa'yo. Okay? So, put yourself first. Loving yourself makes you more romantically attractive. So, sabi nila, sabi ng angels mo, sabi ng reading, put yourself first. Unahin mo daw muna yung sarili mo. Huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Okay? Law of attraction, you have been manifesting this relationship, everything you want will soon to be yours. So, manifest kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, gusto mong marating sa life mo right now because your angel, okay, with your angel charm and the temperance card, your angel is guiding you, helping you. And if you have the partner na sumakabilang buhay or you have the one who is nawalan ng partner, this partner of yours support you spiritually. Okay? Reconciliation, someone from your past or will be returning to your life soon. Okay? So, pwede rin, if you are the one who is in your past life, kung hindi ka ang nawalan ng partner, reconciliation from the past. Okay? So, whether, kung naniniwala kayo sa reincarnation, yung partner mo from the past life will be returning sa'yo. Okay? Meron akong nakikita dito. Returning sa buhay mo. Medyo malalim guys yung reading kasi nararamdaman ko siya. Medyo malalim. Moon is very significant kasi 2 times na lumabas. Hidden pa. And with the moon and the high priestess, you are a very deep person. You can be a Scorpio, a water sign. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung love songs or yung songs mo para sa'yo. So, we have 3 songs for you. Pa number 1. First song is Imahe by Magnus Heaven. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana, sadyang mapaglaro itong mundo. Para doon sa mga partner na nawalan. Para doon sa mag-partner na nawalan ng asawa. This song is for you. Tayo ay pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhanang magkatuluyan. Okay? This is for you guys. Second song by Rex Smith, Simply Jessie. And I've known a girl or two, but none of them was you. And they could never be what you are to me. So, meron akong nakikita dito na someone who is still cannot move on doon sa nawalang person or doon sa person na talagang minahal niya kasi none of them or none of doon sa mga nakikilala mong bago can compare doon sa person talaga na mahal mo. So, I hope naiintindihan mo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Simply Jessie. I've known a girl or two, but none of them was you. Meron akong kilalang girl, 2 sila or a girl, but none of them was you. Pero wala sa kanila, ikaw. And they could never be. And hindi nila mahihigitan kung ano ka or kung sino ka sa buhay ko. Okay. Song by Hinder or Hinder. So, take what's resonate, guys. Better Than Me. So, ang sabi dito, I really miss your hair in my face and the way your innocence tastes. And I think you should know this, you deserve much better than me. So, Better Than Me by Hinder or Hinder is a song na parang, alam ko parang namatay din yung girl or boy dun eh. Parang ganon. Merong nawalang girl or boy, tapos parang namimiss nung isang person yung other person. Basta namimiss niya yung yung partner niya. So malakas sa akin dito nakikita ko na meron ditong nawalan ng partner. I'm so sorry again, guys, okay? Merong nawalan ng partner, merong namatayan ng partner, whether this is from sickness or anything na nangyari. So, I'm so sorry to hear that. So, yun yung nakikita ko. Doon lang to para sa magre-resonate, ha? So, kung hindi magre-resonate, okay lang. Okay? And meron ako nakikita nagpapakatatag pa rin kahit nawalan siya ng partner. And itong girl na to, whether you are the feminine or masculine na nawalan ng partner, is nagpapakatatag. And marami namang taong dumadaan sa buhay niya ulit. Pero, no one compares to doon sa person na talagang minahal niya. Okay? So, it can be totoong nangyari siya, literally, or in a past life. Na yung feeling na meron kang hinihintay. Okay? Kung hindi ikaw ang nawalan ng partner, ikaw yung person na hindi mo alam sa sarili mo, marami ka namang nakikilala na person and may mga offer ka na mga tatanggap pero hindi mo maintindihan sa sarili mo bakit parang meron kang hinihintay. Okay? So, the keyword here is waiting. Okay? Someone here is waiting on someone. Hindi mo maintindihan or hindi mo pakilala yung person na hinihintay mo. And can be, there is a reconciliation. Your angel, okay, is guiding you to this person. Okay? So, ito yung iyong messages. So, tingnan natin pal number 1. Ano yung messages mo? I can't make you happy. You were right. I can't take it anymore. I am scared of rejection. I wish to be like you. Uy. Pwedeng yung energy na nakukuha din natin is there is someone here wants to offer you love with the Page of Cups, pero alam mong hindi mo kayang tanggapin yung emotion na ibinibigay niya sa'yo kasi you are waiting for someone. Or hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Okay, so take what's resonate, guys. I hope naintindihan nyo kung ano yung sinabi ko, ha. Take what's resonate. Whether you are the one who is, you lose a partner, or and hindi ka maka-move on, or you are the one who is waiting on someone else, pero hindi mo pa alam kung sino inaantay mo, can be a past life. Or there is someone wants to offer you love, pero hindi mo pa ma-acknowledge yung love na yon kasi you are still waiting on the person or you are still grieving the loss of your partner or person you love. Okay, so take what's resonate, guys. So, kung ano yung sitwasyon mo doon. Okay? So, pal number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading natin. If hindi man, it's okay. So, maraming salamat pa rin sa panonood. And then, if you are still not subscribing to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, comment ka kung nag-resonate sa'yo or kung nagustuhan mo yung reading natin. Hindi ko na patatagalin, I will go to pile number 2 na. Okay, pile number 2, pile number 1, maraming salamat. Bye! And I don't know how you do it. Na, 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 na. Hi, pile number 2. If this pile, yung napili mo, so tingnan natin kung ano yung next move ng person mo. Okay? So, balasahin ko lang tong ating clarification card kung kailangan natin. So, tingnan natin ha, ano yung next move ng person mo. So, again, take what's resonate and leave the rest, okay? Kung hindi man resonated sa'yo to, pwede kang manood ng pile number 1, baka may messages ka doon. Okay? So, ang napili mo ay yung body lotion na color yellow. So, color yellow can be significant sa'yo whether paborito mo tong kulay na to or paborito to ng person mo. Okay? Body lotion. So, tingnan natin muna yung charm mo. Pile number 2. So, there is a black cat here, whether meron kang itim na pusa, can be a spiritual, can be a witch. Okay. Ooh, horse, can be a Sagittarius, a pink horse, pwedeng year of the horse, a flower, blue flower, ano to? Uy, turtle. Turtle. Water. Okay. Ano to? Uy, Christmas stick ba to? Christmas cane, if I'm not mistaken. So, pwedeng Christmas can be significant sa'yo. White cat. Uy. Balance of white and black can be a high priestess, Pisces, banana. Year of the monkey can be banana is your favorite. Last one is star. Shooting star, wishing, Aquarius. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Unahin natin ng yung tarot card. Ilalatag ko muna yung tarot card mo first. Bago ko babasahin yung reading mo. Okay, pile number 2. So, let's start. King of Pentacles, Earth sign. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. 10 of Cups, water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The Hierophant. Page of Wands, fire sign. The Star. With the Star card here sa chain mo. Aquarius. Water sign. The Chariot. White and black. Chariot. Strength. Strength card is here. 10 of Pentacles. Wow. Family again. 5 of Pentacles. Earth sign. Last card is 10 of Cups. Double confirmation, 10 of Cups. Okay. You can be dealing with an earth sign with the King of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles here. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You can be an earth sign, okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na po pwedeng asawa mo to. Asawa mo to. Or meron kayong family nito. This is ka-live-in partner, a long-time partner, okay? Yes. May marriage dito. Meron ako nakikitang marriage na involved. May family kayo nito. With the 10 of Cups, with the 10 of Cups again. Okay. 2 confirmation. Yes. Meron ako nakikitang travel here. With the Chariot card. Pero meron ako nakita ditong Five of Pentacles. So, Five of Pentacles is feeling left out. Left out in the cold. Or iniwan. Can be, pwedeng iniwanan ka nitong person na to. Yes. Titingnan natin. 10-10. Completion na to, guys. 10-10. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. Earth sign. And King of Pentacles is nandito. Maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn. Basta Earth sign. This is a husband. Pero someone feels left out. Why? So, titingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 6 na card sa ating clarification card. Three of Swords. Oh my gosh, Three of Swords is here. There is a heartache, trauma, and sorrow here with the Five of Pentacles. Five of Cups. Oh, focus on lost. Unwelcome changes, trauma. Oh my gosh, may nangyari dito. Titingnan natin. Merong betrayal na nangyari. May cheating na naganap. Three of Swords. May heartache. Pwedeng nagkahiwalay ba kayo ng asawa mo? Oh my God, Eight of Swords. Feeling trapped. Blind to the truth, self-limiting. Okay, someone here is feeling trapped. Having a heartache and trauma. And focus on the loss with a Five of Cups and a Five of Pentacles. There is someone here traumatized sa nangyari. Whether in a family matter. Tingnan natin. King of Coins. Oh my gosh! Another clarification of King of Pentacles. King of Coins is a King of Pentacles. Oy! What happened? There is a 2 cards of King of Pentacles here. The Empress. Earth sign again. Taurus. King of Coins, King of Pentacles with the Empress. Mag-asawa to. Let's see. Last card for my file number 2. Oh my gosh! I cannot. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Coins. Oh my gosh. Bottom of the deck is 8 of Cups. Abandonment, walking away, disappointment. There is a separation here. Merong separation akong nakikita dito. May separation akong nakikita. 10 of Coins, inheritance, financial security, and family. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Coins is here. Mag-asawa. May nangyari dito. Meron dito inabando na. File number 2, there is someone here na inabando na or feeling ni-neglect. Meron dito feeling trapped, walang magawa. Feeling niya helpless siya. Nakafocus siya dun sa lost na nangyari. May changes na nangyari. I think if you are the feminine here, you are dealing with a King of Coins or King of Pentacles here. This is a father figure. Pwedeng may separation. Meron akong separation na nangyayari na nakita dito. There is a 2 10 of Cups here. And 2, hindi na nga 2 eh. Parang 2 10 of Pentacles here. 2 2 King of Coins here, King of Pentacles. With the Empress card. Meron kayong mga anak nitong person na to. And this person is po pwedeng inabando na ikaw and sumama sa iba. With the Three of Swords. Okay? Oh my gosh. May pamilya kayo nito, asawa mo to, and you are feeling trapped right now. You are limiting yourself, I don't know, dahil nga ba may mga anak kayo, iniwanan kanyang nag-iisa, feeling mo limitado na yung kilos mo kasi you have kids maybe. You are feeling disappointed. You are disappointed. Okay, in short. Dito sa person na to. Meron ditong heartache na nangyari eh. Betrayal na nangyari with the Three of Swords. Kaso, hindi ka makaalis dito kasi baka meron ditong marriage na involved. Gusto mo nang kumawala. Kaso, feeling mo nalilimitahan ka kasi kasal kayo. Kasal kayo. Niloko ka nitong person na to maybe. Iniwanan ka ng mga responsibilidad. This is a wealthy person also. Inabando na ka nito. There is a disappointment here, inabando na ka. Oh my gosh. Kuha nga tayo. Ano ba yung nangyari? May Three of Swords dito eh. Ano bang nangyari dun sa Three of Swords na yun? Inabando na. Meron akong dito nakitang inabando na. Trauma. May trauma akong nakita. Tingnan nga natin. Ano bang nangyari? Ano bang nangyari? What happened to calendar? Oh. What happened to calendar? Oh. Ace of Cups. Ay, nako. Page of Swords. Oh my gosh, Ten of Swords. Ano to? Pwedeng nag-cheat to. Nag-cheat tong person na to. Sa'yo, pile number 2, itong be careful kasi meron ako nakikita dito, pile number 2, ano yung next move ng person mo? There is a travel chariot here. Meron naman ako nakikita kasi na you are very matatag na person. Kung ikaw man ng feminine dito na iniwan, may trauma, okay? You're a very fair person. Meron naman ako nakikita dito. So, if you are still healing or you have a trauma, doon sa nangyari, whether baka itong person na to is very controlling. Meron ako nakikita dito baka very controlling to kasi may trauma kang nakuha dito eh. Hindi mo alam kung ano ba yung totoong nangyari. This person can be nag-offer ng love. Ace of Cups, so pwedeng mag-offer pa to sa'yo eh. Meron ako nakitang inabandon na ka nitong person na to eh. Inabandon na ka. Pero hindi mo alam kung ano ba talaga yung totoong nangyari. This person abandoned you. Nagbigay ng heartache to sa'yo. O pwedeng asawa mo to. And meron kang anak dito sa person na to. Meron ako nakikita eh. Hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung totoo. Ano ba yung totoong nangyari? Bakit kanya iniwanan? Ba't kanya inabando na? Nakafocus ka doon sa nangyari, kaya meron kang trauma. May trauma ka. Kung ikaw yung feminine, ha? So, this person will message you with the page of swords or spying on you. Okay? This person is spying on you with the page of swords. This person is curious or watching you. Okay? And with the Ace of Cups, this person can be pwede mag-offer sa'yo ng emotion. Ha? Itong nag-abandon na sa'yo. Itong nang iwan sa'yo with... Pwedeng itong person na to is iniwanan ka nito. Iniwanan ka nito whether to cheat or to go someone else para pumili ng iba. Iniwanan ka nito ng responsibilidad. You are very hurt in this person. Nagka-trauma ka dito sa person na to. Meron ako nakikita na meron kayong family nito, may foundation kayo nito, meron kayong anak nito, can be, or kahit na wala kayong anak, okay? Pwedeng nagka-trauma, pwedeng nagkaroon ka dito ng very bad experience kasi iniwanan ka niya ng mga responsibilidad. Okay, you're feeling trapped. Meron ako nakita na parang nahang ka kasi iniwanan ka nitong person na to. Iniwanan ka niya. Pero meron ako nakikita na may chariot dito, there is a travel. This person soon will go to you, towards you, can be, will go towards you. Okay, ito yung nag-abandon na sa'yo, nagbigay ng heartache, nagbigay ng 10 of swords. This person is spying on you or want to send you a message and wants to offer you a new commitment. Magbabalik yung person. Ayun yung next move niya. This person will travel sa'yo. Offer you a cup of love again, a new love, and message. Will send you a message. This person is spying on you. Pwedeng nasa malayo tong person na to. Okay? I can't. Wala akong ibang masabi kasi nandito lahat. You feel abandoned with this person kasi iniwanan ka nitong person na to. Pwedeng iniwanan ka nitong person na to kasi para mag-pursue ng other career. Kaya you feeling alone, feeling mo inabandon na ka. Yes. So, tingnan natin. Ano yung messages sa'yo? Itong person na to, pile number 2. Engagement. Your love life is soon ascending to a higher level of commitment. I told you, if hindi pa kayo kasal nitong person na to, pero may anak kayo, may pamilya kayo, hindi kayo kasal, this person soon offer a engagement. Inayos nitong person na to yung pera niya. Kasi pwedeng iniwanan ka nitong person na to kasi para i-pursue yung career niya. Iniwanan ka nito ng biglaan eh. Kaya feeling mo trapped ka, nagka-trauma ka dito, iniwanan ka niya. Okay? Siguro, iniwanan ka niya kasi inayos niya muna yung career niya. I don't know kung ano yung reason, pero there is a 10 of coins, 10 of cups is here. Meron kayong foundation nitong person na to, pwedeng may anak kayo, matagal mo ng karelasyon to, nabigla na lang nawala, or iniwanan ka, mas pinili yung career niya. This person will offer you an engagement. Next, I told you, third-party situation. Third-party situation, pwedeng iniwanan ka nito kasi sa iba. Dahil sa ibang babae. 10 of swords, 3 of swords is here, and third-party. Other people may be interfering with this relationship and dimming its full potential. This person, inilagay ka sa third-party, sinaktan ka with 10 of swords, and 3 of swords. Okay? Next card. You are enough. The person you are meant to be with will love you the way you are. You don't need to change. You are enough. Nagkaroon ka ng trauma dito. Nung iniwanan ka ng person na to, ipinagpalit ka sa third party. Okay? Feeling mo, you are lack. You are enough. You are not enough. You are focused on loss. Nagkaroon ka ng trauma. Okay? Feeling mo, you are not enough with the Five of Pentacles. Okay? Nagkaroon ka ng trauma dito eh. Nung iniwanan ka to, feeling mo parang may kulang sa'yo. Yes? Pero ang sabi ng card, you are enough. Walang mali sa'yo. You are the Empress, okay? You are the Empress. The Empress, very fair person. Empress is yung pinaka-high rank kasi ng card, okay? So, a Taurus, you can be a Taurus. You are the Empress. And alam mong person na yon na you are the Empress. Ano yung kanta niya para sa'yo? Okay, so you have 3 songs. How Do I Live? Song by Leon Rimes. Without you, there'd be no sun in my sky. There will be no love in my life. There'd be no word left for me. Whether you feel na nung iniwan ka nitong person na to, hindi ka na mabubuhay kasi parang nag-focus ka na sa kanya. Meron ako nakikita dito na merong codependent issue. Okay, you need to focus on yourself. You need to magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Trust yourself, okay? Or po pwedeng this person realizes na hindi siya mabubuhay nang wala ka. Kaya nga mag-o-offer to ng engagement. Okay? Kasi ikaw yung 10 of Cups niya, yung happiness niya, and ikaw yung 10 of Coins niya. Ikaw yung gusto niya makasama, gusto niya ikaw yung mapangasawa. Gusto niya ikaw yung maging maging nanay ng mga anak niya. Ikaw yung maging asawa niya, ikaw yung makasama niya sa buhay. Okay? Maybe This Time by Michael Murphy. 2 old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Oh my God. Wala na akong masabi. This person will return. Pile number 2. This person will return. Offer you an engagement. Pwedeng pakasalan ka na itong person na to. Na-realize niya na ikaw yung 10 of Cups niya, ikaw yung 10 of Pentacles niya. Ikaw yung wish niya. Okay? This person will travel towards you. Kung matagal mo na itong iniintay, this is the sign. This person is inayos niya lang yung buhay niya, inayos niya yung pagkakamali niya, na-realize niya na ikaw yung 10 of Cups niya. Ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya with the Star card. Okay? Next song. Irish by Goo Goo Doll. Because all I can taste is the moment and all I can breathe is your life. So, sooner or later, it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. Okay? And ito yung messages niya sa'yo, pile number 2. So, tingnan natin. This love is crazy. Childhood trauma. Oh my gosh. You have a childhood trauma. Feeling abandoned. Feeling not enough. Kaya nga sabi nung card, you are enough. Kung iniwanan ka man itong person na to, it's not about you. You are enough. Okay? So, kailangan ayusin mo yung mga trauma mo. Kasi mamaya, baka pag bumalik tong person na to, tapos nagbago na siya, nakafocus ka dun sa loss. Nakukuha nyo ba, guys? Nakafocus ka dun sa loss eh. Ilalapag ko ng maayos yung card I'm sorry, nagulo-gulo na yung card. Nakafocus ka sa loss. Mamaya, totoo naman talaga yung nararamdaman na nitong person na to. Gusto niya na mag-offer sa'yo ng totoong connection. Pero mas nakafocus ka kasi dun sa loss with the 5 of Cups. And ma-miss mo tong person na to. This person will offer you an engagement. Okay? This person wants to be with you, wants to have a family sa'yo. Pwedeng talagang sincere naman tong person na talagang inayos niya yung mga dapat niyang ayusin. Okay? This person will travel papunta sa'yo. Kasi ikaw ang kanyang 10 of Cups, ikaw ang kanyang 10 of Pentacles. Okay? This person knows that ikaw ay malakas. Ikaw ay matibay. Okay? Ikaw ay mapagkakatiwalaan. Alam nung person na mapagkakatiwalaan ka. Okay? Nakafocus ka lang kasi sa lost. Kaya, if I were you, if you have a childhood trauma, anuhin mo yun, ayusin mo yun. Kasi mamaya baka, sincere naman na tong person na to, ma-miss out mo siya. Sayang. Okay? Next. Next is, why can't I tell you the truth? O pwedeng hindi pa niya sinasabi sa'yo kung ano yung totoong nangyari. Okay? Will you leave me like the others? Okay? So, iiwanan mo rin ba siya? Or baka hindi, nag-aalala siya siguro, baka hindi mo siya tanggapin? Okay? I am better with my mind than my heart. So, pan number 2. Take what's resonate and leave the rest. Okay, kung nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading natin, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if not yet subscribed. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And comment down below kung naka-resonate ka ba dito sa reading na to. If not, pwede kang pumilit, bumalik kay pile number 1. Baka may messages ka doon. So, ano yung next move nitong person na to? This person will travel papunta sa'yo. This person is hiwalay na doon sa third party or doon sa person na kinarelasyon niya, kaya kanya iniwanan. Hiwalay na siya doon and na-realize niya na ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya. Ikaw yung 10 of Cups niya, ikaw yung 10 of Coins niya. Okay, so if you have a childhood trauma, please heal. Kasi baka ma-miss mo tong person na to this time. Okay? So, maraming salamat guys. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo tong reading natin. Okay? Abangan nyo pa aking susunod na upload. Pick a card again and then collective reading tayo. So, hindi ko napapatagalin guys. Maraming salamat. Happy Monday sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Bye!